How are you going to do a question like 4 or 4? My bad. 4 or 5? Which one are you going to do? How are you going to do those?
Well, it's pretty much a function within a function within a function. So you use the chain rule twice.
Function within a function. It is a function within a function within a function. Yeah. But it's easier than that. Like, I'm not trying to say this is easy, but it's easier than that. And you've sort of been doing a little bit of that with the other ones. And I mean, I've spoken to a couple of people about it. So if you had to do, say that question there, how would you do that question there? What was the first step that I told some of you to do?
4 at the front.
Put 4 at the front. Why would you put 4 at the front? Because you can. Why can you? Why can you? Because it is a log rule. Are there any log rules that are division related?
Oh, yeah.
So log rule, so that's the log of x minus the log of 6x plus 5. I'll put that in brackets to make it look pretty. But what do you reckon? Does that look a bit easy now? Because now it's not a product rule or anything. That's sums. That's division. Sorry, that's subtraction. So it's going to be, what's the derivative of this part just here? 1 over x. Minus, what's the derivative of this part here? 1 over 6x plus 5 times 6. So do you mind if I just change that to a 6? Yep, because 1 times 6 is 6. And there's my answer. Alright?
1 times 6 is 6.
Does that sort of make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I have a question. I didn't get why.
Wait, hold on. Wait.
How did you get from the bracket to the
Step
element?
That's some of your log rules. Some of your formula sheet. We did this to start with. Remember, we had log 3 plus log 4. Log 3 plus log 4, you could multiply 3 and 4, couldn't you? And here. So this one here, this is now going to be y equals the log of x. Okay, can you see that step?
Yes.
Okay, do you guys want to finish off trying that one, or do you want me to do it now? Here we go. Okay. Okay, so are we happy where I am? Now, again, like, it's quite hard to differentiate with square root symbols, eh? So rather than writing it out again, are you guys alright if I made that to the power of a half?
Yeah.
It's the same thing, eh?
Yeah.
And then,
what I did.
now that would be the same as,
Yeah, all I did was I went there and there, so I got 2x squared. I didn't go
wouldn't it?
there.
You happy with that? That's that, you know, that's this rule up here, isn't it? But with fractional powers. So now when I differentiate that, 1 over x plus 1 over 2 my bad, times 1 over 2x minus 1 times 2. Can everyone see that? Harrison, you're not even paying attention. And then that gives me my half times my 2, which gives me my 1 over x plus 1 over 2x minus 1.
That's 2x cubed.
Okay. Can you see that?
That's what I want.
Is that not scooping the power over the
Sorry, if he was walking through.
Wait, did you do it that way? I did it.
It works out
I
because
came out with
it's 2
two over one. No, I came out with six.
Yep.
Yeah, it's the power of negative half.
What was the question?
We have the power negative half.
Where you've differentiated it from,
You still want to know this.
where you've gone to the half.
Okay, so I'm not differentiating. Talking about where you're at. That's not a half to me. I'm saying that's half times that long rule. So this is now to the power of 1, which is just 1 over. And I'm not doing it. You can do it that way.
I go the long way.
Which would bring it down to be 1 over 2x minus 1 power of half. Times by the half. But a little bit tricky. Alright.